Exercise 6.1, question number 9. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonals intersect each other at O. Then show that AO by BO equal to CO by DO. Here in figure, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC. Diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at O. And we have drawn a line EO parallel to AB. It can be drawn parallel to DC also. So here it is given that AB is parallel to DC and diagonals AC and BD of trapezium ABCD intersect each other at O. And we have to prove that AO by BO equal to CO by DO. One is small construction we have done. We have drawn EO parallel to AB. In triangle ADC and in triangle ABD, we have to use basic proportionality theorem. But before that, let's see here. AB is parallel to DC. It is given, and EO is parallel to AB by construction. Therefore, EO is parallel to DC also, because lines parallel to the same line are parallel to one another. Now see triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, EO is parallel to DC. Therefore, we can write AE by ED is equal to AO by OC. In triangle ADC, EO is parallel to DC. Therefore, using basic proportionality theorem, we have AE by ED is equal to OA by OC. Let it be number 1. And now in triangle ABD, EO is parallel to AB. Therefore, again using basic proportionality theorem, we have AE by ED is equal to OB by OD. Let it be number 2. Now see question number 1 and 2. Left side AE by ED, AE by ED. Left side is equal to left side. Therefore, right side will be equal to right side, because things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Therefore, from 1 and 2, we get OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. This can be written as OA and AO, same thing. So AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. But we have to prove AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. So AO into DO equal to BO into CO. Cross multiply. And from here you can write AO into DO equal to BO into CO, as AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Hence proved. This result you can write from here also, like this. When AO by CO equal to BO by DO, then this implies AO by BO equal to CO by DO. Direct also you can write. AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. This is applying alternando. Direct you can write this result. AO by BO equal to CO by DO.